Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Esther here. Thank you so much to those of you who have stayed tuned with me. I really hope that you are enjoying your 2020 so far. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me tutorial. As you can see, I'm not wearing no makeup. If you haven't checked out my previous video on my skincare routine, I will also link the video in the description bar below. And for those of you who would like to see my previous makeup tutorial, I will also link the video in the description bar below. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, so this is the final look. And I absolutely love it. It takes me about roughly 45 minutes to an hour to achieve this look. I'll be linking all the products I've used in the description bar below. I'm really happy with the outlook, and I don't do this often, but I thought, although I do love reading and I do love writing, I also want to bring an element of fun and my hobbies into this. Let me know what you think. If you like, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, give it a thumbs up as well. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you did enjoy this video. On that note, I just thought to say this now. On Saturday the 14th of March, Authentic Worth will be having an opportunity of running their first event of the year, which is called Building Self-Confidence and Personal Development. More information to be revealed. I would definitely be posting the flyer on this video as well. Early bird tickets are now on sale, so please do reserve yours because tickets are going quite quickly. If you have any more questions regarding my tutorial, if there's anything else that you would like me to talk about, please do let me know. But I'm really loving this look though. I really am. I don't usually wear eyeshadow as much, but I thought just to give you the overview of what I would do either for a wedding, a birthday. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on Saturday the 14th of March 2020. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye.